In this next lesson, we will be filling the gaps which we had left for our hands. We were playing the bass, we were playing the slap. We are left with some gaps and we are left with some tone. So let's fill all the missing pieces or missing beats with our tones. So for our first groove, which was a bass on 1 and 3, slap on 2 and 4, all the ands will be filled with tones. This is how it will sound like. Djembe is an instrument which works majorly on your dynamics. Dynamics as in the way you play your sounds and the volume that you create with it. When I'm playing the tones over here, I'm playing them very soft so that it doesn't interfere with my slaps. You have to make sure your sounds are equally matched. If you're playing your tone louder than your bass, it sounds pretty bad. Or if your slap is very weak, again it won't give a good impact. Your sound improves with practice and time. So don't worry if your slaps are not that good or your tones are pretty loud. It will get better with time. Let's do the same with all other grooves that we know. So for every groove which we had done till now, we will be playing a tone in every gap which we had left. That is every eighth note which we were counting in our mind. Let's see how it sounds. I'm majorly a righty person, so I'm playing my basses and slaps with my right hand. People might be playing with their left, and some people might shuffle their hands. You can do whatever suits you. Let's go for the next few grooves and see how it sounds.